Two Little Kittens, wrote by Jenny Taylor. Two little kittens. Two little kittens, one stormy night, began to quarrel and then to fight. One had a mouse and the other had none, and that was the way the quarrel had begun. "I will have the mouse," said the bigger one. "You will have the mouse, you will have none." "I will have the mouse," said the tortoise-shell, and spitting and scratching on her sister she fell. I have told you before, it was a stormy night when these two kittens began to fight. The old woman took the sweeping broom and swept them both right out of the room. The ground was covered in frost and snow. They have lost a mouse and nowhere to go. So they lay shivered beside the door till the old woman finished sweeping the floor. And then they crept in as quiet as mice, all with whiskers as cold as ice. They found much better that stormy night to lie by the fire than to quarrel